I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Deborah Vosler. My family and friends will call me Deb, short for that, obviously. As a young person playing volleyball in college, I was injured, and my right leg was injured severely, and I had over 50 surgeries in trying to repair it. And finally, it got to the point where I had the option of saying it was time to amputate. And unlike a lot of people who don't have that option, I was able to make that kind of an adjustment a little bit easier. I did get, they put in a total knee. First total knee broke. Second total knee, I got infected and got septic. And I was living in Wyoming at the time, and they flew me to the Mayo Clinic on a flight for life, and they saved my life. And as a teacher, I taught for several years. We always came back to the clinic during the summer months, and so I found a teaching job opportunity, and I was hired at Del Riota. And so now, living in the area, just makes it easier to be treated by all the good medical care that I have in this community. And I just been in this chair since 1991, and I never have had any pressure sores. I've tried to take really good care of myself. I'm really active. I'm not just a person that just sits in my chair because I taught science for 27 years, and now I'm teaching physical education. And so I am up and about. I coach volleyball, and so I just don't usually get those just because I'm just sitting. And because of some odd occurrence, don't know what it was, I got this pressure sore. I didn't choose to come to the wound care clinic at Olmsted Medical Center, but by the grace of an ulcer, my primary care doctor in St. Charles said it was time for me to go to wound care because she knew that I needed more than she could provide for me. And so then I was referred to the wound care clinic at Olmsted. Before I was referred to the clinic, I tried for 5 weeks by myself to try and see what I could do without assistance. I was being guided by my primary caregiver in St. Charles, but it got to a point where it was too painful and I couldn't do it anymore by myself. And so since I've been to the wound care clinic, I don't have the pain that I had before. And so that's been easier. So I know that there's healing that's happening. They're easing the transition of healing rather than me suffering through every single movement. And since I'm sitting all the time, we've had some problems. And so here's where I kind of fell in love with Dr. Moncrief. She said, we need to get you up. She said, why are you still in that wheelchair? I mean, this wasn't even on my radar. Because in the past, every other doctor was like, that knee's too bad, we're not going to be able to do anything about it. And she said, Dr. Hare can do it right over here, it's great. And so she had me in an appointment with him. She had me at the limb lab quickly. And because of that, she had me with the diabetic nutritionist. In a matter of a month, I'm walking a little bit already. I'm preparing for surgery. I'm doing what I need to do diabetic nutrition-wise, which I was already, but I'm being reinforced that what I was doing is correct. And so the team approach that they take at Olmsted Wound Clinic is amazing. It's not like I said, when they treat me the person, they're covering all my medical aspects. They're making sure that I'm okay. And wow, can't ask for better care than that. And going now to the wound care clinic, I'm finding that the care is phenomenal. My appointments are easy to make. The time that I get there, I don't sit and wait. I get in right away. I'm loved as a person. I'm treated not as a patient. I'm treated as an individual that is seeking help, and they're the ones that are providing the help and the support that I need from them. So I would just recommend this place to anybody that ever comes in and has a need for any kind of wound care clinic. They have all the specialty areas. I haven't needed all of them because I'm not there. I think we caught it early and quickly. And so I just am excited about that because I'm seeing that this isn't going to last forever, and I'm going to be able to get through this, I hope, unbraced, and then back on my bottom again quickly. So I'm just really excited about me as a person in the care of Olmsted Medical Wound Care.